So the last section is basically philosophical. So now we've gone through all of the methods of how to invest, how to keep secure, and what to do as a cryptocurrency investor. And you should now be well equipped to get into the market and start investing as a beginner, and you should have no problems. But now we're just going to talk about the future of crypto. So the future of crypto is up in the air and it's up to speculation and debate at this point. So let's go over some current trends and the possible future projection. Mainstream adoption is interesting, okay, because as crypto becomes more popular and more widely accepted as a payment or method of investment, a trend that seems likely to continue that's already started is the fact that more official merchants or governments and financial institutions will begin to accept and support them. We've seen a lot of governments around the world adopt crypto, like El Salvador. We've also seen countries like the United States try and get in on creating digital currencies like the digital dollar, so it's only going up from here. But that leads us on to the next point, which is regulation, because when there's a greater interest from the higher ups, this also leads to more regulation. So as crypto is still mostly unregulated, as the interest increases, the regulation is going to obviously become greater and there's going to be a bit more of a clamp down on things, okay? This seems to be changing in the future, okay? With large collapses of exchanges like FTX, which has a lot of government eyes on it right now, it seems that the government may want to take a closer look into how to regulate and take some greater control over crypto as a financial system. Then we have innovation. Innovation in this space is always changing, okay? And it's progressing as new technologies become available, as people code wonderful things, and as the use cases are always emerging and transforming, okay? It's a trend that will probably continue. Then we have the integration of traditional finance. So like what we talked about before with institutions and banks having an interest in crypto, it's always something to have a vested interest in as other financial products incorporate crypto into their development. So that's something to watch over. And the last thing I'm going to talk about is environmental concerns. Okay, so this is a big thing which has kind of shrouded the whole crypto space for a while. And environmental concerns will probably continue to be a hot topic in crypto due to the energy intensive nature and element of crypto mining and how it may have an environmental impact. Something that's already seen with Ethereum, where they've changed the method of crypto mining completely to actually save on energy consumption, which has changed its method of mining to negate that. Now, that's another reason why I'm confident about Ethereum, because it's obviously kind of trying to play it safe with government advice on the environment, trying to save energy, things like that. That's also another thing you want to look at with certain projects, because if they're kind of routinely sticking to government guidelines or trying to be kind of pro-government, that will probably be a strong project in the future and your investment is probably safer than something that plays it a little bit riskier. So those are some of the trends that I'm interested in terms of the future of crypto.